It's time for a second dose of travel discussion on Here's More. The holiday travel season is here, and for many that means navigating to the airport and through TSA, but don't fret. We're here to help you with a couple of tips to help ensure that you actually make your flight.
Oh, good.
Okay, so Nikki, have you ever missed a flight because of a ride-sharing mix-up?
Yes.
You have?
Oh, and Laura McFadden, we were all going on a family vacation to Hawaii, and the car did not show up, and
And you can't use your cell phone to order another Lyft or Uber, I'm sure.
Well, she arranged it, and it was not fun. It was like Home Alone running through the airport. I'm moving children aside. I'm moving the elderly aside. It was tough.
Well, just in time for holiday travel, Lyft will now pay travelers up to $100 if their scheduled ride is late, thanks to a new on-time pickup promise.
Oh.
The rideshare company is now promising travelers who schedule a ride in advance that their car will be there. If the driver is more than 10 minutes late, Lyft will then pay you $20 in Lyft cash. But at that point,
well,
how
Lyft,
much money, I mean, that's great, but how much
Lyft,
money did you lose on your flights?
You better start saving your pennies because you're about to pay out a lot of money.
Travelers who are not automatically matched with the driver in 10 minutes after their scheduled pickup time will then receive $50 in Lyft cash.
Well, guess what? Everyone's going to have a happy holiday because everyone's getting Lyft cash because this is, first of all, again, how are they going to track this? And they're just going to be paying thousands of dollars every day.
You think so?
I do. I think so. That's just me.
I mean, I've ordered Lyft before, and then you do get the thing that says, okay, they're on their way, and then, oh, we found a closer driver, and then that driver disappears.
Yeah.
But you can get a maximum of $100 in total to make up for situations when this occurs. But okay, we all know that getting to the airport is just half the battle. With long security wait times in many airports across the country, it can be hard to know just how much time to plan for. But now there's a new option for several airports that offer a reservation lane powered by Clear. You can now reserve a time slot to actually go through the security checkpoint.
Oh.
Just show up at that time, scan your reservation, scan your boarding pass, and go through the exclusive shorter lane. The word exclusive just won Nikki over. I mean,
well, also, and actually, lately, as I've been traveling, the Clear line is longer than the actual security line. It's been crazy.
And you pay for that yearly, and it's like, why? And then you have the regular TSA pre-check, which is no one in line. Everyone's in line at Clear.
I know. So maybe if you said exclusive, my favorite word, what? Luxury, my other favorite word. Keep going. What else do you have?
Well,
it's Christmas.
It is Christmas.